Hello everyone, myself Ankur Patel, and today we are going to discuss geometric constructions. So in this topic, first of all, we will discuss division of lines. That means how to divide a line into equal number of divisions, and then after we will discuss methods to draw different polygons. So let's start with the division of lines. That means how to divide a line into equal number of divisions. So for that, let us take an example. Divide a line PQ 120 mm long into 6 equal parts. So first of all, draw a line having length 120 mm. The name of this line is line PQ. Now we have to divide this line into 6 equal parts, and the length of this line is 120 mm. So 120 mm divided by 6, so it will be equal to 20 mm, and this 20 mm will be the length of one division of the line, and it is also measurable by the scale. So it is possible to divide this line into 6 equal parts by using a scale. So take this scale, mark the points having length equal to 20 mm, and you will have a line divided into 6 equal parts. But it is every time not possible to divide a line into equal number of division by using a scale, because scale have some limitations. As you all know that the scale has least count of 0.5 mm. So it is possible to measure 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 2.5 mm, 20.5 mm, but it is not possible to measure 20.6 mm, 1.6 mm, 1.7 mm, 1.1 mm. So at that time, what we will do? So let us take one another example. Divide a line PQ 100 mm long into 6 equal parts. So first of all, draw a line having length equal to 100 mm. Now we have to divide this line into 6 equal parts. So 100 divided by 6, you will get 16.666 mm. Now 16.666 mm is not possible to measure by the scale. So now what we will do? So let us follow this matter. So first of all, from point P, it is one end of the line, draw an inclined line at any angle. Now mark 6 points on this line having equal lengths. So right now we have marked 6 points over here because we have to divide this line into 6 equal parts. But if you want to divide this line into 5 or 7 equal parts or 8 equal parts, then we will make the division likewise. So after making 6 points or marking 6 points on this inclined line, join this last point to other end of the line. That means join this line last point to point Q. Now after joining this line, draw a line or draw lines parallel to this line from each point of this inclined line. Now if you want to draw lines parallel to this line, we will use the roller scale. So take the roller scale and draw lines parallel to this line from each point of this line. This line will intersect line PQ at different points, and you will have a line divided into 6 equal parts. Now let's move on to next topic, methods to draw polygons. So first of all, what are polygons? Polygons are the figure which have more than 2 numbers of side. That means if a polygon have a number of side is equal to 3, the polygon will be a triangle. If a polygon have a number of side is equal to 4, the polygon will be a square. If the polygon have a number of side is equal to 5, it will be a pentagon, then after hexagon, heptagon and octagon. Now here in this methods to draw polygons, we are going to draw regular polygons. So what are regular polygons? The polygons which have all the sides of equal length and the internal angle will remain same, then that polygons are known as the regular polygons. So in this we will discuss two methods. One is angle method and general method, and after completing the angle method and general method, we will also discuss some alternate method to draw the polygons. So let's start with the angle method to draw polygons. So let us take an example. Draw polygon using angle method. Take n is equal to 3 to 8, where n is equal to number of sides. So if we will take 3, that the polygon will be a triangle, and if we will take 8, the polygon will be octagon. So we have to take the number of side from 3 to 8, and the size of the side length is equal to 30 mm. So the side length of the polygon will be 30 mm. So first of all, we are using the angle method, so we have to find out the internal angles of the polygon. For that we will use this equation. Theta is equal to 180 degree minus 360 degree upon n, where n is the number of sides. So if we will take n is equal to 3, the polygon will be a triangle and the internal angle of the polygon will be 60 degree. So right now we have to draw the triangle by using the angle method. First of all, draw a line having side length 30 mm. Now from this point, measure an angle of 60 degree and draw a line having length 30 mm and join this point to this point. This will be a triangle. Right now we are drawing the regular polygon, so this triangle will be an equilateral triangle. Now if n is equal to 4, the polygon will be a square and the angle will be 90 degree. So from this point, measure 90 degree angle. Make sure that from this point we are measuring the angles in the anti-clockwise manner, and from this point we will measure the angle in the clockwise manner. So from this point, measure 90 degree angle, draw lines and connect the line. We will get the square. Then after n is equal to 5, so if n is equal to 5, the polygon will be a pentagon and the angle will be 108 degree. So from this point, measure an angle of 108 degree in this direction, and from here measure an angle of 108 degree in this direction. From this point and this point also again measure 108 degree likewise. So we will get the pentagon. Now if n is equal to 6, the polygon will be the hexagon, and for that theta will be equal to 120 degree. Theta is the internal angle of the polygon. So from this point, measure angle of 120 degree in this direction, and from this point measure 120 degree angle in this direction and draw the lines having length equal to 30 mm. And again from these points, same, measure angle 120 degree, angle 120 degree, draw a line having length 30 mm. You will get these 2 points and connect these 2 points. You will get the hexagon. Now n is equal to 7, heptagon. For heptagon, theta is equal to 128.57 degree. So from this point, measure 128.57 degree, 128.57 degree, having length 30 mm. Again, at an angle of 128.57 degree, 128.57 degree, having length 30 mm. Draw lines, and again at the angle of 128.57 degree, draw the lines, and you will get the heptagon. Now n is equal to 8, the polygon will be the octagon. Theta is equal to 135 degree. From this point, 135 degree, 135 degree, draw lines having length 30 mm. Again 135 degree, 135 degree, draw lines having length 30 mm. Again 135 degree, 135 degree, draw lines having length 30 mm, and connect these 2 points. You will get the octagon. Now let's move on to next method, general method to draw the polygons. Now here in this method, we are not going to use the protractor to measure the angles. So let us take an example. Draw a polygon using general method. Take n is equal to 4 to 8. Size of the side length is equal to 30 mm. So the side length of the polygon will remain 30 mm, and we have to draw the polygons from square to octagon. That means square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon. So first of all, draw a line having length 30 mm. Name the line AB. Now, after drawing the line AB, draw a perpendicular bisector of this line. So what is a perpendicular bisector? A line which bisects this line AB and which bisects this line at an angle of 90 degree. So first of all, find the midpoint of this line. So M will be the midpoint of this line, and draw a line perpendicular to this line AB. So this line will be a perpendicular bisector of this line. Now after drawing the perpendicular bisector, from M as a center and radius is equal to M to A or M to B, draw a semicircle. Center M, radius is equal to M to A or M to B, draw a semicircle, and mark the intersection point of this semicircle and perpendicular bisector as point number 4. Now after marking point number 4, again give an arc having a radius is equal to A to B and center at A. So take the center A, radius is equal to A to B, draw an arc. Center B, radius is equal to B to A, draw another arc, and mark the intersection point of this both two arcs as point number 6. Now find the midpoint of 4 and 6. We will get 5. Now measure 5 to 6 and give an arc from 6. You will get 7, and we will, if we give arc from 7, we will get 0.8. So after marking these points, we can say that these points are the centers of the circle for square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon and octagon. So if you want to draw this square, take center at 4 and radius is equal to 4 to A. Take center at 4 and radius is equal to 4 to A, draw the circle. After drawing the circle, measure AB, which is our side length of the polygon, and give an arc on the circle 1, 2 and connect this line. You will get the square. Now, if you want to draw the pentagon, take center at 5, radius is equal to 5 to A or 5 to B, draw a circle, and after drawing the circle, give an arc having length equal to AB or having length equal to 30 mm on the circle. So measure AB, give an arc from point A, measure BA, give an arc from point B, you will get these 2 points, connect these 2 points, and after connecting these 2 points, from this point, give an arc of 30 mm again over here, from this point again over here, connect these points, you will get the pentagon. Now, if you want to draw the hexagon, the method will remain same, but we have to change the center. So take the center as 6, radius is equal to 6 to A or 6 to B, draw the circle, and after drawing the circle, give arc of length equal to 30 mm or equal to side length AB. So measure AB, which is 30 mm, give an arc, first arc from A, 1, second arc from B, 2, connect these 2 points, and from these 2 points again give an arc on the circle having length equal to 30 mm, 1, 2, connect these 2 points, and these 2 points you will get the hexagon. Now if you want to draw the heptagon, the center will be at 7, radius is equal to 7 to A, draw the circle. After drawing the circle, measure AB, which is our side length of the polygon, and give an arc first from B to A, give an arc first arc over here, connect these 2 points, and from these 2 points again give an arc of 30 mm on the circle, 1, 2, join these lines, again give an arc from this point and this point having of 30 mm, you will get this point, connect this point, you will get the heptagon. Now if you want to draw the octagon, the center will be at 8, radius is equal to 8 to A or 8 to B, draw the circle. After drawing the circle, give an arc on the circle having length equal to 30 mm. So first of all, we will give the arc from point A and from point B on both sides. So from point A, give an arc over here, B, give an arc from over here, connect these 2 points, continue to give the arc of 30 mm on the circle, you will get the octagon. So this is the general method to draw the polygons. Now let us see some alternate methods to draw the pentagon, hexagon. So let's move on to next one. Pentagon with 3 circle method. So let us take an example. Draw a pentagon using 3 circle method having side length 30 mm. So here we are not going to use the protector. We will do it without using the protector. So let's start. So first of all, draw a line having length equal to 30 mm, line AB. After drawing this line, from A as the center, radius is equal to A to B, draw one circle. Then after from B as the center, radius is equal to B to A, draw another circle. Mark this point and draw a line passing from this point. This line will be a perpendicular bisector of this line AB. Now from this point as a center and radius is equal to 30 mm, draw the third circle and mark the intersection points of the circle 1, 2 and 3. This third point is the intersection point of this perpendicular bisector and the blue circle. Now connect 1, 3 and 2, 3 and extend this line to make the intersection on the green and red circle, and mark this point as C and this point as E. Connect A to E and B to C. After drawing this line A to E and B to C, measure 30 mm on the rounder and give an arc from point C and from point B. You will get the intersection point over here. Mark this point as D and connect this D to E and C. We will get the pentagon with 3 circle method. Now let's move on to next. Hexagon with circle method. So again here we are not going to use the protector to draw the hexagon or to measure the internal angles of the hexagon. So let us take an example. Draw a hexagon using circle method having side length 30 mm. So now first of all, draw a circle having radius 30 mm After drawing the circle, first of all mark one diameter of the circle named as AD. Now from A as a center and radius is equal to A to O, give an arc. 1. Now center at D, radius is equal to D to O, give another arc and mark the intersection point of this arc to the circle. So this point will be C, E and F. Connect AB, BC, CD, DE and EF and FA. You will get the hexagon having side length 30 mm. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this session. We will discuss some more topic in our upcoming lectures. Till then, take care.